Hey everyone, looking to level up your video editing skills? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share some awesome platforms that'll take your editing game from amateur to pro in no time. First up, we've got YouTube. It's a goldmine for free tutorials. Whether you're into Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, there's a creator out there breaking down every feature and trick you need to know. Channels like Peter McKinnon and Justin Odisho are must-follows for their in-depth and easy-to-follow guides. Next, let's talk about Skillshare. It's perfect if you want more structured courses. Skillshare offers a range of classes from beginner to advanced. Plus, you get to follow along with projects, which makes learning way more interactive. Check out classes by Jordi Vandepoot from Cinecom.net. They're super informative and fun. Now, if you're into comprehensive learning, Udemy's got you covered. Here you'll find extensive courses that dive deep into software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. These courses often come with lifetime access, so you can always go back and review. I highly recommend Phil Ebener's courses. They're top-notch. Lastly, don't sleep on LinkedIn Learning. It's a bit more professional and offers a wide range of courses on video editing software. What's great is that you also get certificates that can boost your resume. Courses by Ashley Kennedy are particularly excellent for Adobe Premiere Pro users. So there you have it. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these platforms have something for everyone. Dive in, practice, and watch your editing skills soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy editing!